Oh, hey. Wanna come on in?
Sure.
Hey, what you got there?
I got the Eco Boulder outdoor speaker by ECOXGEAR.
Hello guys, we're gonna be doing an unboxing today of the Eco Boulder outdoor speaker. And my brother brought this in today. And yeah, as this is just a really big box. It's really weighty. There's a lot of nice cool designs. But just take a look at these pictures here. If you buy this speaker, look at all the happiness you'll have. Look at all the friends you'll have, on the beach, just having a good time. You'll be on a boat with a hot chick on your arm, with sunglasses, and her shirt is like coming off the shoulder. You'll have that, and look at that, you'll be barbecuing with your buddies. Like, who doesn't want that? Friends, a lover, and buddies. What else could you ask for in a speaker? Alright, time to get this thing open. Okay. That's a tough piece of tape right there. And now, let's get into this stuff. We don't want to read those. I'm guessing this is the charger cable. So here it is. Okay, and this is the EcoXGEAR. Okay, first thing we're gonna talk about is look at the impressive build. Like, this feels like a nice, solid piece of hardware. On the side, you have the spot where you can plug in your auxiliary. See that? You can put your phone in there, for example. But it's not only for your phone. You can also stick your knife in there. Oh, I guess not then. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And then on this side, you have the connect and the power. You just twist it and you pull, and then you got the USB mic and the aux in. And on this side, the power. So this is how you charge the unit right here. And it's the same way. You open it, just put it in, and twist. Pretty cool. They have these two handles, easy to transfer. Imagine walking on the beach in your shorts and your slippers like that. Like, oh yeah, what do you got there? It's a speaker. It's EcoXGEAR. Cool thing. See, if you don't want to carry it by the handles, you got this extending handle that you can also take out too. Imagine going on the beach. All those people are gonna be flocking towards you when you're dragging this along the sand. They're coming up to you and saying, "Can I be your friend?" And you just tell them, no. Alright, so one of the big selling points for this is that it's very waterproof. So like inside here, it shows that it's very waterproof. So like when I tighten it and it's locked, it's like, no water is gonna be getting in there. So when you turn it and open it, there's like little rubber gaskets over here, so it's very secure in keeping water out. Okay, and then on this side, what's cool about this side, it has a rubber gaskets also on this side, so it protects it from the invasion of water and any other elements that could be potentially get inside this system. So it protects from water really well, protecting your little gadgets. Okay, so this is the top panel of the unit. So this is the power button, and it'll tell you that it turns on.
Power on.
Power on.
Ready to connect.
Thank you. So this is how you change the volume, up and down, plus minus. This is how you change the source. So this is like FM, AM, and then auxiliary 1, auxiliary 2. Not sure what BT means, but Bluetooth. So Bluetooth. So I'm guessing you connect it somehow. You use your phone, all that. Pause and start, and you have the mic volume. So up and down for mic volume. I'm not sure what that is. Oh, I think that's the Connect, Eco Connect. So if you were to use this feature, you would be able to connect to multiple Eco devices, and see you needed louder sound. You would connect the two devices together, the multiple devices together, and you'll be able to control the other devices with one device. So that's what's pretty cool. This is a light, so like if you can't see, you're in the dark, turns it on. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, it turns on the light so you can see it in the dark. And this is for the radio stations. So like you can just cycle through. You can also use this to cycle through AM and FM. AM, FM. And then this one, you can use it to set your radio station. So say you wanted this one, you just hold it down and wait for 2 blinks. There, now it's set. So now whenever you press that one, it's set. We're gonna test out the Bluetooth now. So I'm gonna turn on my Bluetooth on my phone, and so I'm gonna choose ECOXGEAR.
Connection successful.
And it's already connected to your phone. And the cool thing about that is that it's really fast compared to other portable speakers we've had. The Bluetooth is kind of slow. You would be trying for like 20 minutes or less. Not that long. That's over exaggerated, but it won't connect as fast as that. So that's really cool. So I'm gonna try play a song and see how it sounds on the speaker.
Turn it up so I can feel it.
See how loud it can
Turn it
get.
up so I can be near
It's
it.
max on my phone right now.
Oh,
I guess that's where max is out. At 30. Max is out at 30.
loud enough so I can get
It's pretty loud.
babies
The thing I have to mention about it is that the bass is very low in this. Like, you can't really tell on camera, but the bass here is like very strong. You can play that.
It's how it flows.
So that was just a small sample, and you can tell it can get really loud, and the bass here sounds great. And if you're watching this video on earphones, you'd probably hear the bass a little bit better. But yeah, the bass on this speaker is very good. Like my tomato even likes it. So now we're going to talk about the battery, how you charge this thing. This system is rated at 10 plus hours, but from other reviews it says it lasts up to 12 hours. So this is how you charge it. You just plug it into the wall, go like this, and then you just plug it in, and then it is charging. And you can tell it's charging by the little animation it does there, like flickers on and off, and little lightning bolt symbol. That's how you know it's charging. The last speaker we had lasted 50 plus hours, so like I guess that's the downside with this one. It only lasts 10 hours, but on the upsides it's 100 watts. It means it's louder. The bass is much more louder and strong, and it's waterproof as long as you keep these things covered, and it floats. So I guess those are the upsides for this system. Okay, so a little summary of all the pieces and parts to this speaker. So we have like all the little buttons up here that control, you know, you got the radio, Bluetooth, and AM, FM radio. You can put your presets. You can, you know, do that Eco Connect. We can connect it to multiple speakers. You also have, you know, this little compartment here. You can put your, you know, auxiliary here, and you know, the USB, and like the little pouch that you put your, you know, little, like you can put your phone in there or your pieces of bread, like so. So yeah, that's another piece. Other side, you got these little compartments for connection and power. And it has this system is 100% waterproof and dustproof. When these, you know, ports are closed, you can drop this into your pool, lake, or ocean. No worries, it floats. 100-watt dynamic power amplifier. You can play it on a standard AC wall power for continuous play, or up to 10 hours of battery life on this. 2 USB ports, backlit buttons by this button, so if you're in the dark. Oversized rugged wheels. Forgot about to talk about those wheels. Look at them wheels. little wheels. Very rugged. Very rugged rugged wheels. Waterproof smartphone and storage area like right here. But overall, this is a cool system. The EcoXGEAR EcoBoulder outdoor speaker. So it's a pretty cool system, and it has this thing. So overall, this is a cool system. But yeah, you should get this if you have money.